Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
This guide explains how to connect React.js to a SQL database using a backend API and client code. The browser runs React and never connects directly to the database for security and stability. You will create a backend API that listens on port 3000 to handle requests and speak to the SQL server on port 5432. The architecture splits responsibilities into 3 layers: React frontend, backend API, and SQL database. Follow best practices for authentication, validation, and connection pooling. Start by initializing a Node.js project and install Express, a SQL client, and .10 for configuration. Create an Express app that listens on port 3000 and exposes REST or GraphQL endpoints for CRUD operations. Use Sequelize or Next to connect to PostgreSQL or MySQL and enable connection pooling to avoid overload. Store the database host, user, password, and port in environment variables and never commit secrets to version control. Implement parameterized queries or ORM models to prevent SQL injection. In React, call the backend API using fetch or Axios and handle JSON responses and errors gracefully. Store JWT tokens in memory or secure HTTP-only cookies and include tokens in the authorization header for authenticated requests. Implement server-side authentication and role-based authorization to control data access and validate inputs to prevent malformed queries. Configure cores on the backend, enable HTTPS in production, and use environment variables for connection strings and secrets during deployment. Monitor connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.